Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious plantains in your oven. First, select ripe plantains. Look for skins that are mostly yellow with plenty of black spots, indicating sweetness. They should feel slightly soft to the touch. To prepare them, simply cut off both ends, then make a shallow lengthwise slit in the skin. This makes peeling much easier. Once peeled, slice your plantains diagonally into uniform pieces, about 1/2 inch thick, ensuring they cook evenly. Next, let's get those plantains ready for the oven. Place your sliced plantains in a bowl and toss them with 1 to 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil, like avocado or olive oil, ensuring each piece is lightly coated. A small pinch of salt can really bring out their natural sweetness. Then, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This prevents sticking and makes cleanup a breeze. Finally, arrange the plantain slices in a single layer on the sheet, making sure they don't overlap. Now for the baking. Preheat your oven to a temperature between 400 and 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Once hot, place your prepared baking sheet into the oven. Bake the plantains for about 15 to 20 minutes on the first side until they achieve a lovely golden brown color. Then, carefully flip each slice over. Continue baking for another 10 to 15 minutes, or until both sides are beautifully golden brown and slightly caramelized. Once baked to perfection, allow your plantains to cool for just a few minutes before enjoying. These versatile treats are wonderful as a sweet side dish, a satisfying snack, or even a simple dessert. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. To reheat, simply place them on a baking sheet and warm them in an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 to 10 minutes until heated through.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.